Here is a quick video to show how to use the Brieftons PerfectCut Food Chopper. The Brieftons PerfectCut Food Chopper takes the hard work out of chopping vegetables and fruit. It helps you to quickly make consistent, uniform dice, sticks or chips, and wedges from a wide variety of vegetables and fruits. It comes with 4 stainless steel blades for chopping and dicing your way to a professionally prepared meal. Components. The product comes with press plate, outer body, inner body, tray, 4 stainless steel blades, 1/4-inch blade, 3/8-inch blade, 6 wedge blade, 8 wedge blade, and 4 corresponding pushers. They are color-coded such that each pair of blades and pusher have the same matching color. Cleaning cone. How to use. Insert the inner body into the tray. Insert the desired blade into the top of the inner body so that it sits flush. Make sure the side marked with "this side up" faces upward. Insert the corresponding pusher into the blade insert. Make sure the pusher has the same color as the installed blade. Using an incorrect pusher, for example, a pusher with a different color, for your blade insert might result in damages to your blade. Put the outer body onto the pusher. Put the press plate on top. Then turn it clockwise so that it locks into the pusher. Cut the 2 ends of the vegetable flat. Now remove the outer body. Then place the vegetable vertically onto the blade. It's best to use your hand to push it down onto the blade initially so that the vegetable can stand firmly on the blade without falling down. This will help you chop more easily. Put the outer body on top of vegetable. Then press down on it with both hands. The faster you press, the less effort it will take. Detach the tray at the bottom to get your freshly cut vegetables. Tip: if one end of the vegetable is bigger than the other end, place the smaller end on the blade. To prevent vegetables from being stuck in the blade, make sure all edges of the vegetables are within the blade cutting area. To make dice from your vegetable, first cut into slices, then chop the slices one by one. If the vegetable is harder, for example, beets or sweet potatoes, cutting it first into slices will make the chopping easier. You can also microwave it for 30 to 60 seconds to soften the vegetable beforehand. Make sure you choose a countertop with the correct height for your height so that you can comfortably push down on the chopper. If the countertop is too high, you might not be able to apply enough force onto the chopper to make it cut properly. Stand on a stool if your countertop is too high. Types of produce to use. Use straight, firm vegetables. If the vegetables are too long, cut it into pieces of no more than 4 inches or 10 centimeters in height. If the vegetable is curved, cut it into straight pieces first. Not for sticky or sinewy produce. Not for overripe or mushy produce. What blades to use? Use the 2 square blades, 1/4 and 3/8 inch, to make vegetable dice or sticks from potato, cucumber, zucchini, carrot, onion, mushrooms, or ham. Use the wedge blade, 6 wedge and 8 wedge, to make wedges from potatoes, oranges, tomato, lemon, apple, kiwi, or mushrooms. How to change blades and pushers. Insert the desired blade into the top of the inner body so that it sits flush. Make sure the side marked with "this side up" faces upwards. Insert the corresponding pusher onto the blade insert. Make sure to use the right pusher for your blade insert, as the use of an incorrect pusher for your blade insert might result in damages to your blade. Put the outer body onto the pusher. Put the press plate on top. Then turn it clockwise so that it locks into the pusher. How to remove a previously installed blade insert and pusher. To remove a blade insert previously installed on the inner body, hold the blade insert at the 2 indents and lift it up. To remove a pusher previously installed on the outer body, turn the press plate counterclockwise to detach it from the pusher. Then push the pusher down to release it. How to clean the chopper. It's best to clean the chopper immediately after use. Use the provided cleaning comb to clean between the spikes or the pushers, or between the blades of the blade inserts. Disassemble the parts for easier cleaning. Wash the inner body and outer body by hand. Do not put them into the dishwasher, as high temperatures in the dishwasher might cause them to warp. All other parts are dishwasher safe, top rack only, up to 65 degrees Celsius or 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure all parts are clean and dry before storing the product in a dry area to avoid steel oxidation, which can develop rust on the blades. Caution: the blades are sharp. Never touch them with your hand. Always hold the plastic part of the blade inserts when installing or removing them. Not to be used by children. How to store. To store the whole product neatly, arrange the components in this order from the top down. Press plate. A pusher attached to the press plate. The corresponding blade insert for the pusher, installed in the ready-to-use position. The remaining 3 pushers. The corresponding blade for the pusher at the bottom. The remaining 2 blades. Tray. Happy chopping!